Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be playing around with the new Colourpop Make It Pop collection. This is like their pop art collection. I think it's really cute. The packaging on everything is adorable, very much like pop art style, which I love. So yeah, I got this collection in the mail. I don't know when this collection is launching. I'm feeling that like it might launch on Thursday, which is when you guys are watching this, which would be the 17th, but they haven't posted anything yet. It's Wednesday when I'm filming this, so I don't know if it's going to be like a surprise launch or if this is launching next week. I don't know. I will let you guys know in the description whenever I do find out. We have a few different kind of products in this collection. It's like a smaller collection, but it's really, really cute. So let's just go ahead and jump into it. As always, you guys can use my code. It's just KATRINA and it'll save you 10% off the Colourpop website. First thing that we have in this collection are, which I think probably are like the most exciting things in here, are the color duos. So we have 3 sets of these and there are 3 pencils in each one. So we have some eyeliner duos. So we have a cream gel liner on one side and a cream color on the other. Color sticks, that's what they're called. The color sticks on one side and then the cream gel liners on the other one. The cream gel liners are like the thinner pencil ones, like that we all know very well from Colourpop, and then the color sticks are the ones that have come out within like the last like couple months. They're like the thicker, like typical like color sticks. But yeah, so we have 3 different sets. The first one that we have is Fizzy Pop. I don't know the prices of anything yet, but yeah, so we have Fizzy Pop, and in this one, I think most of these might be like existing shades, at least like for the cream gel liner ones, I can recognize some of the names. Those that we have in the Fizzy Pop set are a yellow and white one. We have Exit cream gel liner and Sunday Morning color stick. Obviously, I think we all know Exit from Colourpop already. That is the white eyeliner. Next one that we have in the set is Peach Fuzz cream gel liner and Citrus Squeeze color stick. And then Cherry Pie cream gel liner and Finders Keepers color stick. So that is the 3 that come in the Fizzy Pop set. Next one that we have is Juice Pop. One is more like purple and pinks. This one that we have Amethyst Hour cream gel liner and Rush Hour color stick. The next one that we have is Loverboy cream gel liner and Robertson color stick. And then we have Swerve cream gel liner and Top Dollar color stick. Not sure if these will be like launching individually or only in these little sets like this, but I'll let you guys know. The last trio that we have for the color duos, that is such a confusing thing. There are 3 duo sticks in each set. So the last one that we have is Seltzer Pop, and this one has some more like greens and blues. So the first one that we have is Honeydew cream gel liner and Leafy color stick. Then we have DTLA cream gel liner and Random color stick. And the last one that we have is Big Splash cream gel liner and Market color stick. So those are the 3 sets of the color duos. So there are 9 in total little duos. So I know it's a little confusing. We have in the collection are 3 sets of the Lippie Duo. So same concept as the eye ones. These ones are Lippie pencils and Lippie sticks on each side. So the first one that we have is the Lollipop set. So this one has more neutrals, and I think this one might be like the most popular one. So we have these ones. I recognize most of the names of the lip products. So the first one that we have is Skimpy Lippie Pencil and Cookie Lippie Stick. Then we have Brink Lippie Pencil and Parker Lippie Stick. And the last one is Wild Nothing Lippie Pencil and Candy Paint Lippie Stick. So that one is the Lollipop set. Then we have the Fruity Pop set, and this one is more reds and pinks. The first one that we have is Chi Chi Lippie Pencil and Lippie Stick. I think these ones might be like the same color. Then we have Trixie Lippie Pencil and Lippie Stick, and then Bossy Lippie Pencil, and then Trust Me Lippie Stick. So these ones are the more like red and pinks. The last little duo that we have is Sizzle Pop. So the 3 that are in here, these ones are again more like reds and pinks. We have Heart On It Lippie Pencil and Lippie Stick. I Heart This Lippie Pencil Lippie Stick, and then Bitchette Lippie Pencil and Skywalking Lippie Stick. So those are the 3 in Sizzle Pop. The thing that we have in the collection are 3 blushes. I love the packaging on these. They come in like a neon yellow packaging, and little unicorn is really cute on it as well. We have 3 blushes, and these ones are all matte blushes, and I think they kind of go with the pop art theme very well. So the first one that we have is Retro, and this is like a darker like rosy, has a little bit of like an orangey tone undertone to it as well, like a warm rosy blush. We have Kitsch, and this one is a very pretty like peachy pink blush. I love this. This is the one that I have on right now. And last but not least, we have Meow, and this is a very like cool toned purpley pink blush. So that is everything in the collection. Like I said, it is a little bit of a smaller collection, but the products in here are super cute. But yeah, hopefully those swatches were helpful for you. So this is the look that I came up with using the collection. So if you guys want to see how I got this look right here and to hear my final thoughts on this collection, then just keep watching. Okay, so I already have my eyes primed. I think I'm gonna start off with the eyes first. So I'm gonna be using the Color Duos. I don't know why, but I'm feeling like very pink and green today. Like I want to use those colors. So there is like a pink one in, which one is it? Fizzy Pop? Wait, no. Juice Pop. And there's a green one in Seltzer Pop. So I think I'm gonna use those two. So that's Loverboy Cream Gel Liner and then the Robertson Color Stick on this one. And this one is in the Juice Pop little trio. And then in Seltzer Pop, we have the one with the green. And this one is the Leafy Color Stick. So I'm gonna start off, I think I want to do like a graphic liner. Do the cream gel liner as a graphic liner. So let's see, I hate doing graphic liner on camera, but hopefully it works out. This actually looks like a really pretty pink. So I think I'm just gonna do like a simple graphic liner. So I'm gonna start off and I'm going out towards like my brow. And this is super creamy, so it's just kind of gliding on really easily. What I like to do when I do like a graphic liner like this is I like to look straight and just kind of do dots like where my crease is, so I know how to do the shape. So that way it goes above my crease and it shows like when I have my eyes open. I'll probably have to clean this up. Just did like that shape, and I'm gonna clean that up with some concealer just because it did get a little messy. But I'm gonna, since now that I have the shape down, I'm gonna kind of go a little bit harder with the cream gel liner so it is a lot more intense. Also gonna take that along like my lash line too, just kind of create like a normal wing. Doing something like that. I actually really love this color of pink. Should look something like that. I'm gonna kind of clean that up with some concealer really quick, like over here, and then also along the inside of the cut crease. I went ahead and just cleaned this side up, and I went and did this eye really quick just to save some time. Are they even? Probably not. Do I care? No. The brush that I love to like clean like eyeliner or anything up is this little brush from Element Cosmetics. I don't know what the name of it is or anything, but it's just like a little flat square looking brush. But okay, so that is pretty much what I'm going to do with the pink. I do want to use a little bit of the green, and I think I just kind of want to make like a small little line like underneath, just as like a little pop of green, because why not? So I'm just going to take a line. Moment like kind of outlining the edge of the wing over here. I like the formula more of the cream gel liners than the color sticks. I don't know if you can see the green on camera, but it's there. I'm just taking a little bit more concealer just to clean this little line up. So I'm just doing something like that. It's honestly just like a little pop of green. I just wanted to add a pop of something right there. I don't really care for the formula of this little color stick that much. I think it might be just the color though, because this like lime green sometimes is a little harder to work with, but I'm just cleaning it up just because I want the line to be a little bit thinner, and the color stick has a thicker side. So I went ahead and did my base really quick so we can move on to the blushes. There is one in here that I'm really excited for. I love blush. So the packaging is really cute. They're all in like this like neon yellow packaging. This color is really pretty, but there's like a, I forgot, I was looking at it yesterday. This color right here is called Kitsch, and this is like the perfect like peachy pink blush, which is right up my alley. I feel like this might already be like a staple in my makeup collection because I love this color. So I'm just gonna take some of this. These are matte blushes. Yeah, I love this color. So pretty. I love. The only thing that would make this blush even better was if it was like a shimmery blush. You guys already know I love shimmery blushes, but I love, this is definitely going like in my like top drawer with my makeup that I use like all the time. I love this color blush. Pretty much it for like the eyes and the blush. All we have left is lips, so let me go put on some mascara really quick. I don't think I'm gonna do anything to the lower lash line. I think I like it pretty plain. I don't think I'm gonna put on lashes just so it doesn't like cover up the liner or anything, so I'm just gonna put on some mascara. BRB. Just went ahead and put some mascara on. I also added a little bit of the bronzer that I have on just to my lower lash line, just so it wasn't like completely bare. I don't know, I feel weird when like my lower lash line doesn't have anything at all, so I just wanted to add a little something. And I also just put on some highlight on my inner corner of my nose. I'm using the Fenty What a Brat highlighter. So for lip, I'm gonna be using the Lollipop Lippie little trio in here. So I think most of these, if not all of the Lippie sticks, are existing or have been existing shades already, because I recognize some of the names, if not almost all of them. But I think the one I'm going to use today is this one right here. This is the Wild Nothing and Candy Paint. So Wild Nothing Lippie pencil, and then the Candy Paint Lippie stick. I do have a little bit of lip balm on, so I'm just going to keep that on just because I don't know if these are like completely matte. I kind of just want to keep like a more glossy look. But this is like the brown little trio. I love all the like brown and nude shades, so I'm taking a little bit of the lip liner, completely lining my lips. I just want like a little bit of color. Should have done more red, but oh well. I really like this Lippie Duo right here. This like lip combo is really pretty. I think I'm going to do something a little bit more red or pink because of my eyes. This is the Heart On Lippie stick and Lippie pencil. So I'm just going to add a little bit of this shade like just to the center and kind of just spread this around. This is like a very fuchsia pink color. I kind of just want like a wash of it though. And I think I'm going to add like a clear gloss to the top. I'm just going to add this gloss. This is from the Mandalorian little duo. It's my favorite. This is the Grogu lip oil. Okay, I like that a little bit better. So let me dust off this powder and then I'll come back and give you guys my final thoughts on this collection. So this is the finished look, and honestly this look came out way better than like I was even expecting. I think with the lip and the eyeliner, like it just ties in so nicely together. I love this look. It looks so cute. It's giving very much like watermelon vibes and I love it. I just love doing like this kind of like graphic liner. It's honestly probably like the easiest type of graphic liner you can do. I'm not like that great at graphic liners, so like if I can do this, anyone can. Also love this color of eyeliner. I don't even know if this is like an existing shade of like cream gel liner already. I didn't even like look. It's Loverboy. I think it is. Let me see. I just checked. I do have this cream gel liner already in like the regular pencil form. I don't know if it's still like is on the website or not, but the one that I used today that is in the little duo is an existing shade. So I think most of these are existing or have been existing shades before. I think they're just like in the little duos, which I think is super cute though. I love the like concept of the duo. So my final thoughts on this collection, I think it's really cute. I love, like I said, the duos of all of the eyeliners and the cream colors are really cute, and I think they're easy to have. I love like that they have matching colors and stuff. I love that. I really like the duos for the lips. I just like having a lip liner and a lipstick in one thing. I think that's so convenient, especially like the more nude colors, because the lip liner that goes with it, that's like a little bit darker, like, which I love having that for nude lipsticks and stuff. So I do like those as well. I think my favorite thing in the collection are definitely the eye duos and the blushes. I love those. I think maybe if you like might have some of the shades already, then you might not need some of these, but I just love the lip duos a lot, especially just because you have like that matching lip liner and lipstick together. You don't have like, you know, you could just throw it in your bag. You don't need to have like multiple different products, you know, so I love that. But overall, I think the collection is really cute. I think it's a cute little concept. You could definitely do like pop art looks with these. I know I didn't do that really today, but I think you can definitely do that, obviously. And I think it's cute for like something for spring. Like I think the colors that they chose are really good for like this transition into springtime. Definitely if you're gonna pick anything up, the blushes. I love the blush colors in here, and the eye duos, and then probably the like nude lip duo set. I love that one as well. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are going to pick anything up from this collection. I want to hear your guys' thoughts. But yeah, anyways, I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.